If you're trying to decide between the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the iPhone 16, this video is going to save you time and money. Both phones sit at the same $799 price point, and while the Galaxy S25 isn't a massive upgrade from the S24, comparing it to the iPhone 16 actually makes a lot of sense, especially if you're planning to switch brands or upgrade. So let's break this down clearly and see which one is better for you. Let's start with design and build. Both phones feel premium with aluminum frames and Gorilla Glass protection, and they're both IP68 water and dust resistant. The Galaxy S25 is slightly lighter and slimmer, giving it a more compact feel, while the iPhone 16 is a bit heavier at around 170 grams. However, Apple offers more vibrant color options, and that two-tone frosted glass finish looks stunning in person. If you're into clean aesthetics, the iPhone 16 takes a small lead here. Moving to button layout, Samsung keeps things simple. Power and volume buttons on the right. The iPhone, though, changes things up this year. It moves the volume and new action button to the left, and now adds a dedicated camera control button. This is a really cool addition, letting you adjust zoom, focus, or even shortcuts just with that button. Samsung doesn't have anything equivalent, so if you take a lot of photos, this could be a deciding factor. On the connectivity side, Samsung strikes back. The Galaxy S25 uses USB 3.2 with much faster file transfer speeds, great for moving large videos. The iPhone 16 still uses USB 2.0 speeds unless you buy the Pro models. So if you transfer files often, Samsung gives you better functionality. Now, displays. Both are OLED and very sharp, but here's where they differ. The Galaxy S25 has a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and animations incredibly smooth. The iPhone 16 sticks with 60Hz, which is fine but noticeably less fluid, especially side by side. However, the iPhone features a 10-bit display with richer HDR quality, meaning movies and photos pop with more depth. If you're a gamer, go with Samsung. If you watch a lot of movies, Apple might feel better. In terms of audio and size, Samsung has a slightly larger 6.2-inch screen, while the iPhone has a 6.1-inch display. Not a huge difference. Audio, though, the iPhone 16 has slightly better stereo speakers and a cleaner sound profile at higher volumes. Both phones use 12-megapixel front cameras with 4K video, and both look great. Samsung gives more color and slightly brighter selfies, while Apple delivers better edge detection and natural skin tones. It really comes down to preference, but iPhone still feels more consistent overall. Battery and performance are close this year. The Galaxy S25 uses the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and lasts about an hour longer than last year's S24. But the iPhone 16 still edges ahead in battery life by about an hour. Performance in day-to-day use? Nearly identical. Rear cameras are where things get interesting. The iPhone 16 has a 48-megapixel main and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, while Samsung includes a triple setup with a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Samsung gives you more versatility thanks to real optical zoom, but Apple wins in low-light photos, color accuracy, and consistency across lenses. Samsung sometimes over-sharpens night shots, which doesn't look natural. For video, it's no contest. The iPhone 16 remains the king. Better stabilization, cleaner footage, brighter videos, and more detail. Samsung is good and even better at object tracking, but still can't beat the iPhone. Finally, let's talk software and long-term value. Both offer 7 years of software updates. Apple still has tighter app optimization and smoother OS animations, while Samsung gives you more customization and better deals at purchase. Apple holds resale value better, but Samsung often gives more storage or bonus trade-in deals upfront. So which one should you buy? If you want smoother performance, great zoom, faster USB speeds, and customization, go with the Galaxy S25. But if you value consistent cameras, better videos, longer battery life, premium design, and long-term resale value, the iPhone 16 is the smarter choice. At the end of the day, both are amazing. The real question is, do you want freedom and flexibility with Samsung, or reliability and simplicity with Apple? Let me know which one you're choosing in the comments, Team Galaxy or Team iPhone. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.